What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your ChatGPT settings or parameters. So here I have the OpenAI webpage opened and I'm signed in with my account, and once I sign in I have the option between ChatGPT, DALL-E and the API of ChatGPT. So I want to choose ChatGPT, so I'll click on it. It'll go ahead and open the ChatGPT page with the chat where you can enter a message to chat with the site. And from here you can change many settings, such as like when you go here to the bottom left corner where your email is written and you click on the three dots here, you can click on settings, and from here you can choose the theme, so the dark or light, and you can choose the data control settings as well, so you can clear the history like after a certain time, and you can manage your shared link, and you can export your data, or you can delete your account. So these are pretty much all the settings that you can change on ChatGPT. And aside from that, you can go ahead and chat and type prompts to the site in order to get answers from it.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.